I have skipped Europe and visited this visa-free country in Western Asia, which looks like Europe. It is just 5 hours 30 minutes away from India. This is Georgia. You should put Georgia in your 2025 travel list. I have heard millions of people who visited this country over a few years are saying this. With flight tickets in less than 20,000 rupees and accommodation starting as cheap as 1,000 rupees per night. This country offers a total value for money. And the best part about traveling here is you don't need to visit any embassy or application center for visa. Just put Georgia e-visa on Google and fill in your details and you'll get the decision within a week or 2 weeks. So simple, right? Be it mountains that seems like Switzerland or cities that gives you a vibe like France or Italy, it is actually an all-rounder country. This is a go-to place for couples or wants to take a family trip or as a friend's trip. I felt so relaxed and safe while I was stepping out at 11 am or 11 pm. Georgia has best food, variety of cheese, mouth-watering vegetables and fruits, and the best wine in the world. Steal my itinerary to help you plan this trip to Georgia with my best recommendation of cities, accommodation, places to visit, food to try, and must-do activities. Caption for more info and follow me for more videos. Bye-bye.